So that warping in Taiji is called the tile hand. So you come closer, you see. So place your hands, wrap your hands on mine to feel, okay? Like this here, and one on top to feel what I do. So spread your fingers to feel everything. This is normal, but now we go like this. When I do this here, it goes into you. If I do this, it's just spinning like this here. But with the warping here, it changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes behind you, right? Yeah. So instead of this here, or this here, or this here, we do this. Now in the end, the hand is like this. This is called the tile ability to expand. So this is the core here. So if you squeeze like this here, just 2 dots. Higher, just squeeze. Yeah. So if you clear yourself like here, that spot does not move.
Right.
I'm not doing any of that.
It's a fixed point.
But now, so if you go even further this way, yeah, like that. So my fingers, everything changes without that dot.
Spot doesn't move. Right.
So I'm reaching high.
Right.
I'm reaching that way.
Right.
My little finger is reaching here. So I'm in all dimensions without moving the middle.
Without moving
so it's the same way as that's a true rotation of a globe, of a ball. When a ball rotates, in the middle, there's a dot that does not change. So if you attach yourself to any part of the ball, it moves, but the middle does not move.